This one LS400 Lexus, and here I am talking about the valve control valves. This is the old model, and in which the lot of systems has been working on vacuum basis switches, and this is the one example of the switch, and that one also vacuum based switch. Okay, and that one also diaphragm and vacuum based switch, and that one also. Uh, on the engine compartment, normally 4 to 5 switches are there, but I can see only right now 4 switches on the here. So first of all, I will discuss this one. And in this switch, it is controlled while starting the car, and it is little bit putting the force on the acceleration, means the butterfly of the throttle body side is little open. When we started the car, this actuator will go up on the pressure of the vacuum, so the accelerator will work on the behalf of accelerator pedal. Before that, it was little bit providing tension on uh, throttle butterfly, like see, you can see here, see this one, it's moving down. While I'm moving it, it is moving from here also. Okay, and that one also solenoid valve is working on the while we are switching on the AC air conditioning system, and on that time it works, it's providing a little bit more RPM in that area. There is a little shaft, you can see from here, the shaft pull little bit the acceleration like that, so the RPM will not drop while putting the load of the compressor. The next one is this one, and while we can see this vacuum line is coming from here to here. It's from manifold to the road side, and this is going toward the down area and headlight. It's mean this is controlling the headlight RPM, means when we are switch on the headlight, it will providing a little bit more RPM for the system, or more RPM for headlights while it's getting on. And the next one is this one, and also controlling from this line is going toward here. This is the regulator for fuel rail injection, and it's controlling the extra passage of the fuel while on load or that kind of things happening on the system. So that's what I am talking about, the vacuum valves, and that's things. And one more thing I would like to add about the throttle body. There is a line, water line, 2 water lines in throttle body downside, so we cannot see from here. And this water line is for uh, detecting the hot temperature of engine, in order to change the RPM, butterfly RPM, so that when hot condition, the bimetallic area will create more passage, open the more passage, so that in cold time it's closes more. So this is the also system inside that area, and it's working sometimes on hot or cold conditions. And this is the EGR system. EGR is providing exhaust gas recirculation, actually it is, and it's providing the emission control in order to cool down the engine combustion chamber. So cooling from the area from exhaust gases went inside the intake side, so it is become a one cycle, a complete cycle, that's create the cooling system, and that in that area. So this is the IGR, and it's activated when the vehicle come into its operating temperature normally. So for now it's almost there. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.